Power target trades, power trigger trade. All right, people, we're going to start this great week review with the Apple trade. Okay, and as you can see, I posted this update on the 25th. This is when we actually confirmed. You can see the close was 156.41. Apple has set up the test 161 to 164. The November 17 160 calls could be used. Now, inside this video, I explain the details, but I also posted the confirmation on my stream. Let's go take a look at what the options cost right inside the video, as this is detailed right inside the video. All right, people, so as you can see, on the close here, the 25th, you can see that? October 10, 20. That's the close, right? 359. The options closed at $242 an option. Now, of course, we didn't get this on confirmation. I will show you the confirmation that I posted of this plan. Again, making this a 100% winning week for the new plans this week. On top of that, great IWM SPY October 14, that explaining the facts of the market's direction of going higher on confirmation. Correct. Once again, people. So this is the video, people, here, October the 25th, that I posted in the evening. Enjoy the update. Watch out for the live stream, people, what I did is I did a live stream as well, talking about Apple. Now, here's the confirmation. Apple confirming in with the November 17, 160 calls. Now you can see that we had to pay higher, okay, on confirmation. That's just the way it was. But some people could average. This was about an average. You could have averaged in because it did put a bit of pullback. But about 250 to 280 was the confirmation zone. But as this was confirming, I posted the confirmation. This is where I entered some of my options, and then I added some more. There you have it, people, for the Apple plan. Let's go take a look at. All right, people, plan. So JPM is set up to test 103 to 103. All right, people, so now I'm inside the JPM plan. Now, this JPM plan, I explained, of course, this is not confirmed on this confirmed on the 21st of October, but this, in the week on Monday, because this was posted for Friday. I'm going to show you the confirmation on the stream. This was posted on the close of Friday. This is the closing price of Friday. Okay, JPM is set up to test 103 to 105. Now, we haven't hit this target. We were close to hitting this target this week, but the options did close to 100%. And this was traded for me. I actually traded this as well. So this confirmed on my stream. Let's go take a look at what the options cost when we made the plan. All right, people. So here we are when JPM closed at on the 20th here. See, 10, 20, right? Okay, $100 call options. Basically, $100 call. Sorry, and the options closed at 135. Of course, we did not pay 1.35 on confirmation. We had to pay a little bit higher. But let's go take a look at the confirmation day now, because the key is that these videos are just to show that I posted a few plans, being Apple, JPM, CRM. FedEx, I described, it was something I posted a while ago, but I also in my stream talked about it. But let's talk about JPM first. So here we are on October the 24th at 9:32 a.m. JPM is confirming in with the November 17 100 calls at 1.65. So it costs $165 per option, people. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the closing option prices for this week for JPM and Apple. But Apple was a superstar. Also, FedEx did well as well. Now, I posted a plan for CRM. This did do well at one point of the day. No big deal, but it is a profitable trade. No big deal in CRM, but it did pretty good. But the superstars are, of course, Apple. And see, people, you should check out this SPY WM October 14 market review video. Very powerful video. I explained that this market was going higher, and as long as we held key support levels. Check it out. Be prepared to be blown away if you really want to realize powerful analysis skills. Okay, unlike anything else out there, there's no service out there that can do what I did on October 14. These numbers are too powerful. What I explained, it's just too powerful. So this is the confirmation on CRM at 220. These hit a high about 330, 340 at one point of the day. on October the 27th. This was a slow mover, but did make profits. JPM, Apple really were the superstars, but Apple being a superstar. Also, Netflix did very well as well. During the week, I posted a reversal plan for Netflix, and I talked about the special plan for entry. They hit actually even today. I wasn't in these anymore, but they hit a high of $5 at one point today. Because if you go check it, if you think about it, the October, Netflix almost hit about 200. So the analogy, see right here, October 1 in with that. So this was a special reversal plan that did very, very well. Lulu did very well on the first plan, but on the second plan, we're still holding it. But the gains from a lot of great plans like FedEx. Let's take a look at FedEx. So here we are, people, on October the 26th. Now the FedEx, I mentioned this in my stream, but the original plan we got in at 2.01 here on October the 6th over here. But I just want to show you that I posted the confirmation, and in my stream on October the 25th, I talked about FedEx. Okay, so this would have to be on a stream, but I had a big plan. Let's go take a look at this original plan here. All right, people, so here I am on the October 5th plan for FedEx. And this is a long-term plan. I said, I think this is a gift. Plus, this stock has confirmed a special intraday signal of mine that is powerful. This is more of a long-term hold for great gains. Now, there was a lot of facts. Now, this did pull back, and it was against me at one point in time. But in the end of the story, you can see that these calls, you can see the screenshot here, these 230 calls, see 2.01, they were around 200. Now I got a better price, but I posted this plan showing it that, if you want to pay a little higher. And so average, the point is these options did very, very well. And I also was reaffirming this. A lot of people would ask me questions because things weren't going so good at the beginning, but in the end, power trade delivers again. People. All right, people, so this is the close. Apple closed at 163.05, up 5.64. Now remember those options, how inexpensive they were. Well, they cost between 280 to 250 was what they were able to be achieved for easily. All right, people. So let's go take a look at the November 17 options. Okay, and again, I do this to document, to educate, to empower my followers of the power of my analysis skills. You found gold, you better study, people. You better study. Look at this, 111% today. Okay, because from where we closed, we actually moved. If you're in this, you made 111% today. Okay, so you can see because we closed positive. The options were up from yesterday, which was October the 26th. So this is the close, people, right? So if you entered around 280, right, you made way over 100%. Okay, people. So there you have it for Apple. Now let's go take a look at JPM. All right, people. So JPM closed at 107.33. Now this stock actually had the options did even better than the close, but we're just going to go for a measurement sake for the close, okay? And as you can see, once I had the wrong options up. Here's the November 17 calls. Okay, because that price was incorrect. So you can see the 100 calls, they closed at $265. Okay, so they made great gains. They actually hit higher than they hit higher about they weren't much higher. They're around $320. Still holding these, right? Because we made great gains. What I do is I always take 50% off, and then I hold runners, right? So holding runners in JPM right now. But wanted to show this close. You can see this is the close, the 27th. This is the date. This is the beautiful thing about they dated and everything. It's very well time stamped and powerful to show and educate my followers. All right, so let's just take a look at FedEx here. Now, FedEx closed up 143 at 230.47, people. Now, remember what I made. See, remember what I said, right? And we've achieved that. We've achieved that 230 area. As you can see, the options. Now, these options, obviously, FedEx went higher, but they did hit double at one point of the day. But they closed at $378 an option, okay? So, from the confirmation, they made some nice gains, 280 to 3. But from my original plan, now, if you traded it, or like what I did, I have a much lower average. But let's just face it from confirmation point of 2.00 that I explained on October the 5th. 200% gains, people. Okay, but the stock is still moving. Like there's a potential for the higher, much higher prices. All right, people. But the point is what I explained and it delivered. Plan after plan after plan after plan, people. All right, people. Welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post great detailed plans. Like I said, people, study the videos. Confirmation is key. Visit daily. I tell you, people, over and over again, study this created playlist, because if you study this created playlist and you check out my detailed plans and you're ready for confirmation, you too can make great gains in the market. Never before has there been someone who posts such powerful detailed plans for free to help his followers make money better than a lot of things out there. Look at my October. I'm going to post my inside this video. I'm going to post that October 14 IWM SPY video to review. See the power. Hear the power of the key numbers I explained in that video and the power of my stream. It's just too powerful. Even this review video does not do justice of how many great plans that make great money on my stream, people. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Open up a YouTube channel. Let me show you. Let's see what I say. All right, people. Now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my created playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on Power Target Trades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions. And I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Now let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like